Hi folks, and welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Beautiful day out here. I'm going to do a quick walk around on this pre-owned inventory. It's a Passport. It's actually a 2016 2890 RL. So it's about a 28 footer. It's going to have a rear lounge and it's going to have a front bedroom, mid-bath. It's got kind of a cool little floor plan. We'll go look at that in just a second. As far as the outside of this guy, it is a fiberglass unit. It's going to be pretty clean all the way around. We're going to have our propane tanks here, battery storage there. You got a nice little load light up on the front. It has the front pass-through bay like most of your trailers do. It's actually pretty large on this guy. Lots of storage. I like storage. As you make your way down the side of this guy, it's a two-door unit. This door here goes about into the front bedroom. I'll show you that in a second. Kind of pre-bedroom right across from the bathroom. Awning, power awning with an awning light underneath. I do like those LED strips underneath there. They're very nice. Outdoor speakers. This unit is going to have the little wider axles, the stable track axles. Is pretty cool. It's actually a Keystone product. We sell Outbacks brand new here as far as Keystone. And let's go inside and take a look at this guy real quick. So as soon as you kind of come in here, you notice that there's a huge back window, which is awesome. In the rear lounge models, a lot of times you get that. You get the big back window, fishbowl effect. You get your scenery wherever you're at. Two chairs there. It is a leather unit, so you're going to have a nice leather sofa as well. Big booth dinette. I like the booth dinettes myself. The table is down right now, so you can make it into a bed. Entertainment center here. Kitchen on the other side of the room back here. Full-size fridge, nice Dometic fridge. Stove, cooktop, microwave, counter, everything going on here. As you make your way up here, you see that second door, and this has a nice pantry storage area here that could come out. The shelves also come out, and there's a rod up there for a closet if you want to make it a closet instead. So here's the bathroom. Let's check that out real fast. Bathroom, I like the nice glass shower enclosure. You're going to have that. You're going to have plenty of light in there from the nice skylight above the shower for your tall guys to be able to fit in. And then you kind of have this whole closet here. Lots of storage, lots of room. You can hang all kinds of goods, store stuff. As far as moving around to the bedroom, somebody's upgraded the mattress in here. It's a really nice mattress. You're going to have storage all the way around. Closets on either side. So this does have a ton of storage. Like I keep saying, this is storage. It is kind of an interesting floor plan, but it is very nice with a bigger bathroom, front bedroom type of unit. Now, if there's anything you want questions about here at Guaranty or this unit or anything in particular, feel free to give me a call. My name is Kirk.Blair, Captain Kirk. Feel free to call or ask for me. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Feel free to call or text or anything out here in Guaranty in Junction City, Oregon. Have a great day.